Hello. You have to step on the leg.
So guys,
Hello viewers, welcome to Rebikit Foods. If you happen to come across this channel, Rebikit Foods, a channel which deals with modern recipes and traditional foods, please consider subscribing, view videos, share and like. So guys, I'm back again today with this video of Guinea fowl. So see how beautiful this is. I'm going to slaughter this. I'll show you the African way of slaughtering this and how its meat tastes. Kind of bad. I don't know whether it's a bird or it's chicken. Do you eat it in your country? Do you feed it on it? Please just throw your comment down there and tell me what you feel about this. So guys, keep tuned. So when you are slaughtering this, you have to step. You have to step on the legs as well as on the wings. It has a very high speed. If it gets out from this, I will never find it. So guys, look at this beautiful bird. So when you want to slaughter it, you just hot water for easy removal. So guys, from look at this now, you have to make sure that everything is clear. So from here, we are going to roast it so that we can remove the tiny feathers. So kindly look at this, how are we going to roast or grill it. So guys, just have a look at it. It's very clear now. I'm going to cut it into pieces. So let's go. So guys, I'm done. Look at this, guys. Looking appetizing. So next, I'm going to wash them very, very clean. Make sure you wash them well. Then now, after washing them properly, I'm going to prepare them now. I've placed my pan here, and then now I'll place this everything there. And then what I can do is just to add, we are going to boil them using some spices. So I'm going to add spices like things like salt. Here is salt. So I put some tablespoon of salt. Then I mean 2 tablespoons of salt. Then I will put other spices so that I can make a good broth. So here I have some cumin. I have mhm, uh, tomato paste, but I'm not going to use tomato sauce. I have ginger and the garlic, which I've just done. Ginger and garlic, turmeric, paprika, and red onions. So these ones, I'm going to put them, just a bit of them, boil them, and then make sure that I obtain a very nice, tasty broth. So I'm going to boil this for about 30 minutes, and then before I just cover it to boil, I'm going to add just a little bit of water. So the water, I'm going to use the water to make some broth once they're together with these spices. So I'll add water, then cover it for 30 minutes. Uh-huh, 30 minutes is done, and I guess it's ready. I'm going to take everything out, separate the meat from the broth because I'm going to use the broth later. So I'll take out everything. As you can see now, look at this. Guys, I'm now going to make a sauce for this. After doing that, now I'm going to fry it now. This is what I have for the paste. I have red onions, I have ginger and garlic, I have tomato paste, I have beef, and I have blended tomatoes. So guys, keep tuned. So I'll just start by adding my red onions to it. Then I'll just add a little bit of oil. That's just the way I told you that this guinea fowl has a lot of oil. So we don't need to put so much oil. We just put little just to burn the red onion. So guys, keep tuned. I'm going to add some ginger and the garlic and give it a good stir as well. Then I'll add the tomato paste and then tomato puree. I'll mix up everything together. So guys, at this point now, this is the time to add the any spice saffron if you have. I have the beef curry here. I mean chicken curry. I'm using chicken curry because, as I told you, this dish just looks like chicken. So keep tuned. Then at this point now, I'm just going to add in my Guinea Fowl mix and give it a good mix, guys. Make sure all these spices and everything mixes well here. Now from this step it will depend whether you like it wet fry. What I mean by wet fry is that you don't need a lot of sauce. From here, if you want need too much sauce, you can also decide from this point. So guys, all this will depend on what you need to serve it with. Now for me, I'm going to use ugali. I love ugali, so I will put some salt. So what I have here, I have the broth that I got from the boiling. So I have this broth. I will just add the broth to it, cover it, and let it cool. So keep tuned, keep tuned, keep tuned. So guys, my pot is just ready and I'm just going to serve it now. So guys, you can try this out. So guys, see? So thank you for watching this video, guys. Give my video a thumbs up. So guys, you can see now, this is now the so-called Guinea fowl. That beautiful animal that you just saw live. That beautiful animal that I just slaughtered and did everything. So this is how it looks, guys. So just please give my video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. So guys, this is the end of this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.